In today's video, we're going to talk about how to round decimals to the nearest thousandth. Let's look at these four examples here. The first thing we're going to do is identify where our thousandth position is. We're going to evaluate the number directly to the right of it. If it's 5 or higher, we round up. If it's 4 or lower, we round down. Let's check out the first one. Example 1, 1.6238. Well, we know that in this example, the 6th is in the 10th spot, the 2 is in the 100th spot, and the 3 is in the 1000th spot. That's when we want to round to. So we evaluate the 8, and we say if it's 5 or higher, we round the thousandths up. So 1.6238 rounds to 1.624. Example 2, 10.8394. Our thousandths position is the number 9. We evaluate the number 4. 4 or less, we round down, or that means keep the number the same. So 10.8394 rounds to 10.839. Third example, 73.2635. Our thousandths position is 3. 5 or higher, and we round up. It rounds to 73.264. Last example, 32.3343. The 4 is our thousandths position. 3 is the number to the right. It's 4 or less, we keep it the same or round down. 32.334. Now that you've done 4 examples, let's work through one on your own. Round to the nearest thousandths. 16.3384. Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.